Ivory Coast workers accuse Unilever of rights violations amid share sale. Unilever is facing heat in Ivory Coast, where local workers say the multinational is violating their union protections and sidestepping severance commitments tied to its exit from the country's domestic brand market. British-based consumer goods giant Unilever is in the process of selling all of its shares in its Ivorian subsidiary to a consortium led by Société de Distribution de Toutes Marchandises Côte d'Ivoire (SDTM). This deal affects 160 employees, many of whom now fear for their livelihoods. At the heart of the controversy is Unilever's refusal to honor its collective bargaining agreement, which stipulates that workers are entitled to 1 month of average gross salary per year of seniority with a maximum of 18 months as severance pay in the event of job cuts resulting from a business disposal. The agreement, active since 2004 and reaffirmed in 2007, also includes medical coverage for a maximum period of 6 months. Despite this, Unilever claims the transaction is simply a sale of shares and not a restructuring event, thus rendering severance pay not therefore relevant as employment continues. However, internal memos suggest the international brands, representing over 60% of turnover, will no longer be part of the new entity, stoking fears of layoffs. Workers staged protests on April 25th, demanding clarity and security. A company meeting at the Abidjan Labor Inspectorate saw Unilever Côte d'Ivoire's head, Arona Diop, confirm that future employment terms would be set by SDTM, not by Unilever's existing union agreement. Union lawyer Sualiho Lassaman Diomande emphasized that no assurances have been given regarding job security, warning that under Article 16.6 of the Ivorian Labor Code, major changes in contracts require employee consent. Meanwhile, a stark contrast is emerging between Unilever's treatment of its African workforce and employees in Europe. Just last month, the company agreed to guarantee ice cream workers' terms for 3 years in Europe and Britain during a spin-off, despite no legal obligation to do so. Not applying the same conditions in Ivory Coast is unequal treatment and negative discrimination, Diamande stated. This is a serious injustice.